How to sense language in IMO. If you opened your IMO and thought, wait, this isn't my preferred language, it's a common little harder but super easy to fix. We are going to sense it right now together. First things first, let's go ahead and open the IMO. Once you're inside it, look for the profile picture at the top left corner. It's right over here. Just keep it tapped. Once you tap on it, you will see a menu appear. From those options, simply tap on the setting. It's right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside it, you will see an option called language, and this is exactly what we need. Let's tap on it and go inside too. Here you will see a list of languages. Now just pick the one you want. Maybe it's English, Spanish, Hindi, Nepali, or something else entirely. As soon as you tap on the preferred language, IMO will switch it over instantly. For example, let's change it into the Nepali and let's take it up. And it has changed everything about the chat section. And there you have it. Your IMO is now speaking your chosen language. Pretty easy, right? Now you can navigate and chat comfortably. So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.